Hi, I'm Simon from Gressingham. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do confit duck leg. We've got these lovely Gressingham duck legs, which if you'd like to know how to butcher this or on a whole duck, you can check out one of our other videos. To start the process, I'm going to generously season these duck legs all over. Also going to add some thyme, rosemary and garlic. This all just helps to add depth of flavour at this early stage. We're gonna leave these duck legs to marinate for about 8 to 12 hours. So you could do this the night before if you were to get prepared. The salt and the seasonings just help to penetrate and season throughout the whole meat and just adjust the texture so they're beautiful when they're slow cooked. I've used herbs and garlic here, but you could definitely use other spices, other seasonings. They'd all work really well if you're looking for a different flavour. They're ready now to get covered and go in the fridge for 8 to 12 hours before we cook. Here we've got our duck legs that are out the fridge that have been marinating for 8 hours. We're just going to give them a quick rinse to get rid of that excess salt, because we don't want them too salty before they're cooked. So I'm just using a nice bowl of clean cold water here before we put them into the duck fat ready to slow cook. So I like to use duck fat for slow cooking the confit. We produce and sell our own duck fat, because we sell all our trim and excess skin to another company, which slowly roasts it to render it and packages it up as 100% pure Gressingham duck fat. You could do confit in a cooking oil and slow cook it like that, but I definitely think it's best when it's done in duck fat. Here we have our duck legs that have been marinated and rinsed. We've got our nice tray of duck fat, so I'm just going to nestle these in here. Try and make sure you've got enough fat so they are fully submerged. I'm going to place a sheet of parchment on top of that. Just helps them stay underneath the surface, and then cover with foil. This duck fat that's been used today, I used previously. So once they're cooked and you have to remove your duck legs, you can use it again and again. Just make sure you strain it each time. Now these are ready to go. I'm going to put them in an oven set at 130 degrees. I'm going to cook them for 3 hours. Once that time's up, just going to take them out of the oven, leave them on the side, take the foil off and let them sit for about an hour before you take them out of the fat. That'll make sure they stay nice and succulent. So these duck legs have been cooked for 3 hours. I'm happy with how they're looking. I've let them rest. I've now taken them out of the fat and now they're here ready to finish to serve. You could cool them down at this point and save them and then reheat them for service. But today we're going to go straight into a pan, crisp them up and serve them with some lovely braised lentils. So here I'm just using this nice pan. We're going to go skin side down and then going to go onto a nice medium heat to crisp up that skin. So here we've got our duck legs on nice medium heat. You can hear them starting to bubble and cook. We haven't added any extra fat. We're just using the fat that's come out of the duck and the fat that it was cooked in. So now I'm going to, for an extra crispy skin, I'm going to leave these skin side down and put them straight into the oven. Because they're still warm, they'll only take about 10 minutes till they're nice and crispy and hot through. If you were doing it from the fridge, it maybe take close to 15 minutes. So here we've got our confit duck legs out of the oven. I've just flipped them over. You can see really nice crispy skin and very tender. Today I'm going to serve them with some classic braised lentils. So I've added some cooked lentils. I've cooked them down with shallot, garlic, some smoked pancetta and some duck stock, and then just finished it with some fresh herbs. A classic combination to serve with confit duck legs. And being delicate, because these are very tender, we're just going to place our lovely confit duck legs onto our bed of lentils. This will be great served with a bitter leaf salad or a nice mustard dressing. But there you have confit duck leg with braised lentils.